Join us on the last leg of our French road trip. We have travelled from the north to the Champagne region, Jura Valley, the foot of the Alps and back.
In this episode, we'll show you what it's like to visit Monet's house and garden, where to park for the night, when to visit to beat the crowds, and a great place to eat. And if you're travelling to or from Calais, we show you Touquet, a great place for a night stop.
So we're very excited because we're going to be heading off to Giverny and we will be visiting Monet's Garden this afternoon.
We should recognise it from some of his paintings.
So we're going to pack up and head off.
Monet's Garden is located in the village of Giverny, which is 80 kilometres northwest of Paris in the region of Normandy. We were lucky enough, we got our parking spot at the Air, close to Monet's place. The overnight van park up is next to the Monet car and coach parking area. We arrived at 1 PM and there were plenty of spaces and it was free. See the park for night location in the description below.
Monet's garden is approximately 3 acres, including both the house and the water garden on the other side of the road. The estate was donated to the Academy of Beaux-Arts in 1966 and was restored and became a museum open to the public in 1980.
So we've made it into Monet's Garden and it's very busy.
And very hot. There's still plenty of colour, even though it's late September.
More than I was thinking actually, which is quite a surprise.
Tickets can be purchased online for a time slot. We arrived at 2:30 in the afternoon. It's said to be less busy after 3:30 and when it opens at 9:30 in the morning.
So you can imagine Monet coming out of that gate and walking up there to his house, thinking, what am I going to paint today?
And who are all these people?
Yeah, what are they doing in my garden? So, following the signs to the water lilies, we come across some steps on what appears to be an underpass. So, his garden obviously extended over the other side of the road.
Once you get to the water garden, you soon reach a very popular spot, the Japanese bridge, which Monet painted in 1899.
I think this is one place here that you have to visit. It is the water lilies, isn't it? Yeah. That is the one that, if you think of Monet, you think of pointillism and you think of water lilies, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, and it's exactly as you picture it, just with more people. France's most famous painter, and I would say one of the world's top 10 most famous painters.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Monet came to live in the village in 1883 when he first rented and then bought this house in 1890, and he lived here until his death in 1926.
We're going to go in the house now, and one of the tour guides was just telling his group sometimes it's a 30-minute line to get in the house, and we have no wait basically, so count ourselves lucky. When you enter the house, you come to this room with all of these paintings. It's fantastic. Must be the ones that he kept. Nice that they're still in the house.
That is really lovely, I like that one. I've never seen that one before, or any like that.
Must be around the back of the house, perhaps. It's beautiful, isn't it? And it's huge. Stand there, Michelle, so you can see the scale of it. It's a big painting, isn't it? Are those his children, grandchildren, I wonder? That's Claude himself. No idea how long he lived. I'll put it up on the screen when I find out, but he looks like he lived into, a good age.
Yeah.
And this, I guess, is one of his studios. Lovely room. There you go.
That's the view he had out of his window. Imagine waking up to that every morning.
How many gardeners do you think he had? Fantastic, isn't it?
And how much gardening did he do himself?
Oh yeah, I wonder. Probably did some.
Yeah.
I mean, he was obviously keen on gardens, wasn't he? Oh, hello.
Hello.
You in today?
Cup of tea?
Oh, yes, please.
I live there. So this is my type of garden. I really love this type of garden, like cottage garden-y kind of garden.
I love looking at the house. And before we came, I never really thought about the house. I just thought about the garden.
The house is quite beautiful, isn't it, really?
The
I
house
mean, you can imagine living in there and the scenery you get just from looking out your window.
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of a peaceful house.
Yeah, loves coming. Excellent. Maybe like a third less people.
Yeah.
It'd be nice, but he's
And not quite as hot, because it's very hot today.
a popular guy,
Yeah.
Lots of people want to come, so. And it was only €12. That is really cheap. So, no, really good. Loved it.
Monet is buried in the Giverny village churchyard with other family members.
This small village has become a tourist hub and now has a pedestrianised central street that runs the length of the village with many art shops and cafes.
We found this beautiful little restaurant called La Guinguette on the edge of the village. It's in a lovely setting with a stream running past, and Monet once painted a picture from the location. We both had excellent entrecôte steaks.
So we're leaving Giverny, and as you can see, the weather is not the best.
No, after such a glorious day yesterday.
The weather improved as we travelled towards Calais and for somewhere to stay before the train the next morning. We settled on the town of Touquet, which is a 15-minute drive to Le Château at Calais.
We've come to a place called Touquet, which seems very, very posh. Lots of lovely houses on the drive-in, some of them thatched, which was unusual. And we're at the equestrian centre, and there's plenty of spaces, and it was €11, so looks like it'll be nice, safe and quiet for the night. So we're gonna have a cup of coffee, pop to the supermarket, and then pop to the town and have some dinner on our last night of our trip. It's been epic. We'll see how the night goes.
Touquet is a very attractive town with impressive architecture and a very busy centre with lots of shops, bars and restaurants.
Look, Michelle, what do you see?
Hey, a merry-go-round or a carousel.
And what else do you see?
The Eiffel Tower.
We decided to visit the Irish bar to watch the rugby where England ladies beat the French ladies in the World Cup semi-final. There were lots of British people in there who had come to play golf in the many courses nearby.
We then had an excellent meal in the very cool bar La Impasse.
So it's the end of our French road trip. So it's the end of our French road trip. We left Touquet about 8 o'clock this morning, maybe a little bit before. and headed down to Calais. We had a good time in Touquet.
Yeah, it's quite a different place, isn't it?
Very affluent. Nice way to finish our time in France off, I think.
Yeah, we've had a fantastic trip.
We've seen so many different landscapes, so many different architectures, stayed in so many different towns, visited so many different towns.
Yeah, we've tried local dishes and local wines and champagne.
Oh yeah, that was good. And we've stayed half the time in campsites and half the time in airs and just car parks, and that's worked really well, and it gave us the flexibility, and it felt more like an adventure doing it that way.
If you're thinking of doing a French road trip, check out our full series playlist via the link at the end or in the description below.
So all that we've got left to say is thank you for watching.
And if you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up because it really helps the channel, and consider subscribing.
And it's goodbye for now, and we will see you again in our travels. Bye for now.
In next week's episode, we visit Slovakia's beautiful capital, Bratislava, and we celebrate my 60th birthday. And don't forget to click on the link to see our full French road trip series.